Hi everyone, my name is Vinita Khadka and I'm the senior consultant at Idea Usher. And today we will be exploring the another application and its flow and features called SkinFan. Well, this is more about the subscription based application, which is pay per view, and also it is more about the user and content creator kind of an application, which has a lot of information about different subscription models and a different fan influencer social media. So let's explore the app. Well, when you come on the when you download the skin fan and when you come on the home page, you will get two options, which is one is login as creator and the other one is login as user. First, we'll understand and explore how does the creator works, and then we'll come back again and see how does the user flow works. So let's just log in as creator first. You will need to create an account. You can put your email, put the password, and if you have any referral code, you can put the referral code, or else you can just sign in by your Apple, by your Google account, or by your Facebook. So I'm just gonna sign up here. There will be a confirmation code that will be sent to you on your email address, so you can just put the code and then confirm. You need to complete your profile. So by completing your profile, you need to put your full name. You need to put your username, your phone number, upload a picture, bio, date of birth, and then move forward. To verify your age, you need to put your one authentic ID card for the age verification. So you can just select the document here and say, suppose if I'm selecting passport, I can just click passport and then confirm. Then the next I need to choose is a category. I need to choose the type of content that I'll be sharing on this platform. So, say, suppose this photography related content or entertainment related content, I have to select that one platform. So, today I'm going to select fashion. So, I'll just click on fashion and then continue. And my profile has been set up. Well, the first thing that you can see on the home page is on the left hand side your profile picture and your ID. A lot of information is available on the home page, as in the recent post by different people, your activity, your dashboard, and also the insights. So let's just explore one by one. And also on the downside, you can see there's a chat option, the notification, and the profile option, and also this plus bar. So when we explore the first thing on the homepage, that's the recent post. So recent post of different people, and how much has been liked and how much is the count. Now, say suppose 789 is the like of the premium post. The crown symbolizes the premium post, and if it's a normal post, there won't be any crown. So this has almost like 236 post or the subscribers. On the activity, you can see that if anyone has requested a fan request to you, or has deposited any money to you, or subscribed to you. On the dashboard side, you can see the total revenue that you have earned, and you can also see that this month specifically how much money that you have earned and how much it has been increased from the last month. Say suppose if it is 10% income increased, you can see that as well. The subscribers information, that how much has been subscribers, like the numbers of our subscribers and the followers is also there, and also how much has it been increased from the last week. All this information is available over on the home page itself. Insights, as in the total accounts reached and the content interactions, the information would be available on the home page. Then you can see the chat option. You can just click on the chat option. You can see the people who have sent you chats by the, if they are the subscribers. So on the subscribers, you will see that who all have sent you the messages and the notifications, and also you can see the fan request, as in who has requested any information. So you can just select it, and then you can um, accept the request or just decline it. And then on the notification side, you can see all the notifications, or if anyone has liked your comment, or has liked your post, or commented something on your post, all the information would be available on the notification side. Then you come to the profile, and you can see your own profile. You can share it with on different platforms, and you can also bookmark it. You can see your ID, you can see your bio, how many people follow you, how many people have subscribed you. You can edit your profile. You can see your post, your premium post as well. And on the right hand side, you can see the subscription settings or the fan request, any live session settings, or the referred a creator. So all this information would be available on your profile picture as only. Then let's explore the plus button over here. So if you click on the plus button, you have normal post, premium post, schedule live sessions, and go live. If you want to post a normal picture without any premium points or without any anyone subscribing to you, so you can just click on the normal post. You can just allow your access for your camera roll, and then you can just select it, and you can just put a caption, and then if you want to add some tags, you can just add the tags and then just post it, and then it will show on your post side. But if you want to do something premium, you can just select on the premium. You can allow the access, you can select one, you can put a caption and with the tags, and then it would appear on the premium side. So this is just for the paid version. Like, say suppose if any user has logged in and has seen your account and wants to see your premium photos, they'll have to subscribe it or either pay it to see your premium post. So that's the only difference between a normal post and the premium post. Then the next thing is schedule a session. Say suppose you want to go a live session with different use creators or different users. You can create a schedule a live session. You can put a title, say suppose any title as in fashion live session. You can select a date, you can select the time, and then you can just click on the continue, and your live session is being scheduled. So you can edit the details as well, and then you can just click OK. So then on your activity, it will be notified that Jasmine has scheduled a fan meeting on this date at this particular time. If you explore another thing, that's it's called Go Live, where you can instantly just allow your access, and you can instantly go live and speak with your subscribers or your followers, and then answer those questions or just interact with them. So yeah, so this is all about the creator side, where the one thing is like by my creator profile over here, you can just switch from you can switch from a creator to your user account as well directly from here, or else you can just go from the start button. You can just uh, log out from here and then log in your user account. So this was all about the content side. Let's explore the user side. You can just log in as a user. You need to create a user account with the email of yours, password, and again you can sign in via Apple, Google, or Facebook account. You can just sign up. A code will be sent to you. You can complete your profile, put your full name, your username, and your date of birth, and then continue. You can upload a picture and then add a bio. You can select the category of your interest, which will give the access of the artist based on your interest so that you can follow them. I'm going to go with the first one and then continue. So, based on my interest, I have got all these people's suggestions so that I can follow them and see the similar line of work which I want to know. So, I'll just go and follow Esther for now and continue. And yeah, so, well, this kind of looks like a clone version of Instagram, but this is a better version for any user or creator to interact on their social influencer media post. That's the sole focus of SkinFan to serve. It is more about the user and the creator social influencer media app, and it has a similar, like you can see the people's stories over here. On the right side you can see the chats, and you can just scroll and you can see the people's post, and then with the comment section as well. And down, if you see that the recommendation for you is also being suggested by the app. So you can just go and follow Kate, or you can just follow Jake as well. So on the search side, you can search people, you can see different people's feeds and explore them. You can see the categories as well. And then after the search bar or the explore side, you also can see the notifications. So if anyone has liked your comment or has commented something or has sent you a request, they can see on the notification side. And then you can go and see your profile wherein your bio is added, your picture is added with your user ID. You can see how many people are following you. You can see how many people have subscribed you, so 13 subscriptions you have. You can see the general settings, you can see the account settings, as in if you want to block any accounts or change the password or have two factor authentication, so you can do that. You can select the favorite as well and see if you have bookmarked any favorite or any accounts as favorites, so all this information would be added on the favorite side. If you have any information that you are searching for and you're not able to find it, you can come on the help side and then message and see what all help you can get it from this side. Feedback, you can put a feedback about the app and then just send the feedback, or you can just log out it from here. So as we saw that you can switch from user to creator, you also have the access over here to switch from user to creator, and then instantly see how many people have subscribed you and not. So yes, as I said, this is a different version of Instagram, but it's a much more nicer way. So let me know your thoughts on this. You can have a walkthrough of it. It's available everywhere. So let me know your thoughts on this. And if you have any questions, please do reach out to us so that we can answer. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks.